Hi, lovely. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to be able to share with you a couple of my favorite gifts that I got this Christmas too that I didn't even really know existed before. And yeah, I just wanted to be able to share them with you really quick. Let me know down below what your favorite gift was that you got this Christmas, especially if it was an herbal one. So this first gift that I'm going to talk to you about is one that I've been looking at for a little while, and it's from a company that I do respect, Learning Herbs, as far as teaching kind of herbalism. And it's an herbal adventure game. Have you guys seen this before? I haven't played it yet, but I think it's going to be really, really fun. So, so it says ages 4 and up, so I'm sure I can play it. I'm pretty sure. And so it's kind of neat because this game, this can be played with a few folks, and I'll open it up and kind of show you what's in here. But it's kind of fun because Grandma needs huckleberries to bake a pie. Your cousins embark on an adventure to collect the berries. So you actually have to head up the hill. And as you head up the hill to be able to collect the berries, you get to go on different herbal adventures and learn herbal things and stuff. So I just thought that I would share it with you. Right quick. Yeah, so it's a whole lot of fun. There's there's different where you grab herb cards and things, which I'll show those to you in just a second. So there's a little spinner, so you know kind of how far to move along, right? There's a little story and instructions, which I think would be beautiful for kids who want to be able to learn herbalism. And then there's little, 4 little place markers and then we've also got some little cards. So like there's little helper cards, as you go along on your journey. So there's a cooperation opportunities, bring a player forward, or save the card and use any time to help another player. So it's kind of a little cute. And then there's 2 other types of cards within this. So there's actually these cards, they all look the same on one side. And on the other side, they actually show you what the different herbs, and sometimes there's a multitude of different herbs, or the same herb, because it can be used in a couple of different ways. So there's burdock, there's calendula, there's chickweed. Oh, one of my favorites for the skin, you guys know this, comfrey, dandelion. So as you go along in the game, one of my other favorites, lemon balm. So as you go along in the game, you can utilize organ grape, you can utilize these different herbal remedies to be able to help yourself as you get hurt along the hill to go and get huckleberries for Grandma, it says. So, and then the last part is why you need these herbs. So these are actual things that happen to you along the way of Herbcraft the game. So wasp sting, which I think is pretty fun. Well, not pretty fun, but pretty fun for the game. So a bee sting, and it has at the bottom kind of which herbs would be able to help out so that you can know and be able to utilize those. There's hornet sting. There's one that I always get all the time, mosquito bites, right? Scraped knee. So I think it would be a really fun game for children. So if you have any kiddos, I think that would be something that they would enjoy. So the other couple of gifts that I wanted to be able to show you, let me just get it back in the box here. So again, this one was Wildcraft, an herbal adventure game. All right, 20% battery, Autumn. You're going to have to make it count. So the other thing that I got, I was going to save this for last, but I think that these are just really, really awesome. So little wooden spoon. It's got the moon cycles on the back. So this is one of the large spoons. And then I got 4 smaller ones for Christmas. So one of them is lavender. It actually has a little lavender on there. Let me see if I can get it to focus. And then I also got, there was a yarrow. These are from Etsy. Let me know if you guys want the link. Really, really awesome. She had sold out of a whole bunch of them. I wanted to get everything that she had, but by the time we ran over there from Instagram or Facebook or whatever, it was gone. Rosemary. And then it has a little rosemary on it. And then lastly, sage. Aren't those neato? Have you seen anything like that? I thought they were really, really neat and just perfect for an herbalist for Christmas. So I thought that was a lot of fun. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. I need to remember. Yeah, I should have looked up what her name was on Etsy, but it's awesome, awesome. Like I say, I got it for a gift, so I can share it with you. And then I have one more thing that I didn't know these existed. Somebody had mentioned it on Facebook, and then I mentioned it. And so it's actually like a hanging herb drying rack. I had always been using my big metal shelves that are taller than me from Lowe's or whatever, but oh god, it's like unwinding at me. Oh my gosh. So I guess that's as big as the base to be able to dry it. It looks like it has a little Velcro thing that can hook around somewhere to start at the top. And look at this thing. I can dry herbs in it, and there's a multitude of levels separating them with mesh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it just keeps going. I think this one's gonna like go floor to ceiling in my apothecary. But I don't know. I don't think I can get this folded back up. It's like one of those windshield, you know, things that you can't get. Anyways, okay. So those were my herbal gifts. I got a couple books too that I can show you guys as well. Do you guys want to see more books? I know that I did beginner herbal books and intermediate herbal books, and it's now on my YouTube. But yeah, so the first gift that I showed was Wildcraft, an herbal adventure game. That was a lot of fun. And then I also showed some of these wooden spoons that I got on Etsy that have the individual herbs on them, which is really awesome. I really love this Kitchen Witch one. I definitely identify. And then I also, like I showed you guys, this herb drying rack, which is so neato. I'll have to put some pictures up or some video when it's actually in use. But it's winter here, you know, in Austin, Texas, so not too much to harvest at the moment. But yeah, I think my phone's going to die soon. So let me see if there's any questions at all. Let's see. Hi, Lisa, Carol, Uta, good to have you. Aaron. Yeah, I got Wildcraft, Aaron. I can't wait to play it. Hey, Beth. The one with all the moon phases. I know. Isn't it cool? It's on the back of the Kitchen Witch one. Isn't that neat? It's got a little, it looks like a little quartz right there. Hi, Yvonne. Good to see you here. Jenny, Paula, Christine, Casey. Let's see. Okay, Beth posted Willowwood Grove is the Etsy seller for the spoons. Willowwood Grove is where Beth got these for me as a gift. In case you guys don't know, Beth is my wife, my business chief financial officer, chief technology officer, all those good things. Rosemary was a small one. Lavender was another one. Sage. Yarrow. All right, guys. Well, my phone is slowly failing. It's my third live. I went live a few minutes ago, and I talked on my business page, autumnsharvest.tv, about a Mountain Rose Herbs unboxing and how I just recently became an affiliate of theirs. So if you want to shop Mountain Rose, let me know. I'm going to have the affiliate link up on my website really soon, but I shared it with my folks in my business page recently. So yeah, all right, guys. I'll be back with more herbs, health, and healing soon. I just wanted to be able to share that with you. Let's see if there's any other questions here. All right, awesome. You're welcome, Paula. Hey, Lisa, Casey. All right, guys. Much love and light. Shaky camera. Bye.